Today we're gonna make this delicious burrata salad with arugula and grilled peaches. To get started on making our burrata and grilled peach salad, we're gonna start with grilling our peaches. So I'm just gonna brush a little bit of olive oil and put them right down on a nice hot pan. Of course, if you have the outside grill, you could use that as well. Everybody has mixed reviews on how they feel about fruit in a salad. So I would love for you to leave me a comment below. I wanna know, do you love fruit in your salad or do you not? So I love grilling fruit, but I know tons of people that do not. They think salad needs to be only vegetables. I disagree. You let me know what you think. So now that our peaches have been grilled, I'm gonna put them right on this platter, this plate, and we're gonna go assemble our salad. So we have here our arugula, grilled peaches, and our burrata. So before I assemble the salad, we're gonna make our dressing. So we're gonna use a jar. I always tell you, it's so easy to make all of your dressings in these jars because you can shake it up, you can make it ahead of time, and then that way you're ready to assemble your salad. So we're gonna do equal parts of olive oil and balsamic reduction. I'm eyeballing it here, but it's about a 1/4 cup of each. So we're gonna do balsamic reduction and olive oil. Then we're gonna take a tablespoon of honey. And I'm gonna do about a 1/4 teaspoon of salt and a little less than a 1/4 teaspoon of pepper. And so, like I said, you can make this ahead of time before you're assembling the salad. Take it in a jar, airtight, shake it up. And our dressing's ready. So now assembling our salad. So we have our arugula. I'm making this in a platter rather than a bowl because it presents really well this way. And it looks really pretty. So if you're doing like a buffet or you're having people over, this will look great on the platter. So then we're gonna do 2 pieces of burrata. I'm gonna put these down. And I'm just gonna kind of cut them open there. Little. Beautiful. And then we have our grilled peaches. Put them all over the salad. And this salad actually would be perfect if you wanted to add some nuts for crunch. My kids are allergic, so I'm not doing that in this recipe, but you're more than welcome to add anything to this. But look how pretty, and like this looks so refreshing. This looks so great. If you're doing especially if you're having people over, this looks awesome. So then we're gonna take our dressing, I'm gonna drizzle that on top. And that's it. Look how gorgeous. Go back and forth. And this is ready to be served. For the full recipe, visit nikkigladkiss.com. And don't forget, like, subscribe, and follow me on Instagram for more entertaining tips.